Agamree uses benefits, side effects. In important information, Agamree is a prescription medication used to treat a range of mental health conditions, including anxiety disorders, mood disorders, and certain types of depression. By balancing specific neurotransmitters in the brain, Agamree helps alleviate symptoms associated with these conditions, making it a valuable option for patients who need long-term management of mental health issues. This article provides an overview of Agamree's uses, benefits, side effects, and key information to help patients understand how this medication works. Uses of Agamree. Agamree is primarily prescribed to manage it. 1. Generalized anxiety disorder in Guide. Agamree helps reduce excessive worry, tension, and physical symptoms associated with anxiety, such as restlessness and irritability. 2. Major depressive disorder MDD. This medication can be used as part of a treatment plan to relieve symptoms of depression, including low mood, fatigue, and lack of interest in daily activities. 3. Bipolar disorder. Agamree may be used in combination with other treatments to stabilize mood swings in individuals diagnosed with bipolar disorder, helping to prevent both manic and depressive episodes. 4. Panic disorder. For individuals suffering from recurring panic attacks, Agamree can help reduce the frequency and severity of these episodes, making it easier to manage day-to-day life. Benefits of Agamree. Agamree offers several advantages for individuals dealing with mental health conditions. 1. Effective symptom control. Agamree has been shown to alleviate a wide of mental health symptoms, including feelings of nervousness, irritability, and sadness, making it easier for patients to function in their daily lives. 2. Long-term stability. For patients with chronic mental health conditions, Agamree helps provide long-term stability by reducing the frequency of episodes such as anxiety attacks or depressive episodes. 3. Improved quality of life. Patients who respond well to Agamree often experience significant improvements in their overall quality of life, including better relationships, work performance, and social functioning. 4. Combination therapy. Agamree can be used in combination with other medications like mood stabilizers or antidepressants to enhance treatment effectiveness, particularly for complex conditions like bipolar disorder. Side effects of Agamree. While Agamree is generally well tolerated, some individuals may experience side effects, including 1. Drowsiness and fatigue. Agamree may cause feelings of tiredness or drowsiness, particularly when first starting the medication or adjusting the dose. 2. Dry mouth. Some patients may experience a dry mouth, which can be managed by staying hydrated and using sugar-free gum or lozenges. 3. Dizziness. Dizziness or lightheadedness may occur, especially if you stand up too quickly. It's essential to rise slowly from sitting or lying positions to minimize this effect. 4. Mild nausea may occur when starting Agamree, but this usually subsides after the body adjusts to the medication. 5. Weight changes. Some individuals may experience changes in appetite and weight, so it's essential to monitor weight and dietary habits while taking Agamree. Important information about Agamree. Before starting Agamree, patients should discuss their full medical history with their healthcare provider. Key considerations include 1. Existing health conditions. Patients with conditions such as liver disease, heart problems, or a history of substance abuse should inform their doctor, as Agamree may need to be adjusted or monitored closely. 2. Drug interactions. Agamree may interact with other medications, including antidepressants, anti-anxiety drugs, and certain over-the-counter products. Be sure to provide a complete list of all medications and supplements to avoid potential interactions. 3. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you are pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before starting Agamree, as the safety of this medication during pregnancy and nursing has not been fully established. 4. Alcohol. Avoid drinking alcohol while taking Agamree, as it can increase the sedative effects and may worsen side effects such as dizziness and drowsiness. Conclusion. Agamree is a powerful tool in the management of anxiety, depression, and bipolar disorder, offering effective symptom relief and long-term stability. While it provides significant benefits, patients should be aware of potential side effects and risks. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting Agamree. Ensure that it's the right treatment for your needs and engage in regular follow-ups to monitor progress and adjust the treatment as necessary. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.